kids, how are you all? Now here we have some sounds that we're gonna use them to build the word, draw the word, and then we will write the word. Now let's go. Okay, so now I will use the sound f, and I want you to read it finally. Here, f, and then the sound a. Fa, fa, and then the sound So could you please tell me what is the word here? F, a, n. Ha, again. F, a, n. Fan, fan. Excellent. Could you please tell me what is the meaning of the word fan? Fan. Yeah, great. It's fan. Nice. Now let's draw the word. Okay, now I will draw the word fan. Fan is something like this. And this. It's also, watch here. This is the fan. Great. Now let's write the word fan. Excellent. Good job. So here it is fa, a, fan, fan. Great. Now let's erase this. We're gonna build another one. Right. Let's make another word. I will choose the sound a to be at the beginning. A. And then a, and then the sound t. T. Here it becomes a, n, t. A, n, t. Ant. Ant. Here it is a, n, t. Ant. So that was an idea for teaching reading and writing for kids. You can apply it at home. Also, you can apply it in grammar. See you the next time. Don't forget to play the game. Goodbye.